In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offset text in Canva, a useful technique to make your design stand out with a professional touch. If you're looking to add a bit more flair to your digital creations, mastering this technique will certainly give them that needed edge. Let's dive right in and take a look at how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. First off, open your Canva project where you want to apply the offset text effect. Choose the text that you want to enhance with this effect by clicking on it. Once selected, this will activate a host of editing options you'll need to navigate through to achieve the desired look. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Effects button. This is where Canva houses all the text effects options, and it's your gateway to adding a dynamic visual element to your text. Clicking on Effects will reveal various options that you can apply to your text, each offering a unique creative flair. As you scroll through the different effects, you'll notice various styles you can experiment with. For our purpose, we'll focus on the outline effect, which is perfect for creating an offset appearance. Simply select this effect from the list and you'll notice your text will automatically adjust to show an outlined version. The outline instantly provides that offset vibe, giving your text a layered look that pops against any background. Once you've applied the outline effect, you can further refine it by adjusting the thickness of the outline. Canva provides an easy to use slider control for this. Moving the slider will increase or decrease the thickness, allowing you to find the perfect balance that fits your design. A thicker outline offers a bolder look, while a thinner one can provide subtlety, so feel free to play around with it until you're happy with the result. Now that you've adjusted the thickness, it's time to add some colour. Click on the colour icon that appears alongside the thickness slider. This will open a colour palette where you can choose from a variety of colours. The right colour can significantly enhance the visual impact of your text, making it either blend seamlessly with the design or stand out as a focal point. Be it a bold red or a calming blue, select the hue that complements your overall design aesthetics. And there you have it. You've successfully added an offset effect to your text in Canva, making your design more eye-catching and dynamic. Remember, the key to a great design is experimentation, so don't hesitate to try different effects, thickness levels and colours to find that perfect combination. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.